Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad KHAIRIN bin HASSAN. My matrix number is 17 DIB 19 F1066. Today I'm going to present about Rhb Islamic Bank.
My name is SYAZWAN bin NORISHAM. My matric card number is 17 IB 19F1026. And my part for this presentation is I will explain about the Sharia concept that have been applied for debit and credit card for Rhb Islamic Bank.
My name is AL-AMIN bin NASIR. My matrix number is 17 DIB 19F 1998, and I will present about features of Rhb Islamic debit and credit card I.
My name Mohamad AZRIN bin ABDULLAH. My card matrix number 17 DIB 19F1008. For my part, I will present about fees and charge for Rhb Islamic Bank Berhad Credit Card I and late payment for Rhb Islamic Bank Credit Card I and conclusion.
Today I'm going to present about Rhb Islamic Bank. This is the background of Rhb Islamic Bank. Rhb Bank is established in 2005. Rhb Bank Islamic is the first full-fledged Malaysian Islamic bank that has matured from an Islamic banking window operation. It is a primary driver of the Sharia business for the Rhb banking group. Rhb Islamic Bank also the fourth largest banking group in our country in terms of asset. Leveraging on the operational capabilities, commitments and synergies within the larger network of the Rhb banking group totaling more than 200 branches. Rhb aim to ensure customers enjoy reliable, convenient and efficient banking experience. We also dedicate our thoughts and action to provide a suite comprehensive financing, deposit, investment and cash management solution to our corporate customers. Basically, Rhb banking is really care about their customer and make them repeat to take service from Rhb bank. Then the bank's double-digit CAGR makes it one of the Malaysia's fastest growing Islamic financial institution. It was first to offer the diminishing musyarakah equity home financing facility. First to introduce the Islamic EFSC, Financial Supply Chain Electronic Exchange, and first to provide the flexible trade finance. The latter caters for tangible product services for trade financing from pre to post shipment financing. This is the Rhb Islamic debit card I. You can see the picture. Okay, what is this product about? Basically, debit card I payment instrument which allows you to pay for goods and services from your deposit account at participating retail and service outlet via Visa or MasterCard. It also allows the cash withdrawal via local ATM machine. A deposit account is required to allow linkage to your debit card. If you close your deposit account maintained with us, your debit card I will be automatically cancelled and then terminated. Basically, debit card is our money from our bank account, and we don't need to bring cash to buy our foods or belongings. Okay, as we can look, this is a Rhb Islamic Bank Berhad credit card. Okay, what is this product about? This is an Islamic credit card I which the usage is subject to its predetermined credit limit. It functions as a payment medium that offers the convenience and security to make transaction. Basically, subject to restricted MCC code at millions of Visa or MasterCard merchant worldwide. Basically, credit card is a loan we make to bank, and we can purchase anything that we want without money in hand. So we can buy anything without limit, but we need to pay the amount from certain time of period, or else we can get penalty because pay late.
For debit card Rhb Islamic Bank, it was called Debit Card I, and the Sharia concept that have been applied is Ujrah. Ujrah is a contract that a fee payable for certain services and benefits and the privilege rendered. This is the flow for Ujrah for debit card. Usually Ujrah is being used for credit card, but for Rhb Islamic Bank, Ujrah has been used to apply in debit card. The flow starts with bank issues credit card based on Ujrah and charge fee based on the type of card. Second, bank allocates a credit limit to the customer. Third, customer swipe or use the card to purchase anything that he wants to. Fourth, bank pays the merchants for the purchased item. And lastly, the customer reimburses the amount advanced by the bank. Meanwhile, for the credit card, Rhb Islamic Bank, which is credit card I, the Sharia concept that have been applied is Ujrah and Qard. Ujrah is a concept that will entitle the card holder for a certain service, benefits, and privilege in consideration for a specified fee. And another one is Qard. The Qard is the credit limit of the credit card I is provided by the bank to the card holder based on Sharia concept of Qard, which refers to the bank lending amount equivalent to a credit limit to the card holder, and card holder is bound to repay an equivalent amount to the bank. This is the modus operandi for Ujrah, which has been told before this. I will tell it again, which is first, the bank opens the account and determines the credit limit for the credit card. Second, bank will establish the credit card facility to the customer. Third, customer pay for the goods with the card, or that is, customer will purchase anything that he wants to. And fourth, customer pays for the facility. That is all for me. Thank you. And next to the next presenter.
For features of Rhb Islamic Debit Card I, first is can earn cash when shopping with Rhb Islamic Debit Card. That means kita dapat jana wang tunai ketika berbelanja dengan menggunakan kad debit card I. Second is debit card allows you to withdraw money, shop overseas and earn 0.5% cashback for overseas retail spend. Keduanya, kad debit membolehkan kita mengeluarkan wang untuk berbelanja di luar negara dan memperoleh pulangan tunai 0.5% untuk perbelanjaan runcit di luar negara. Dan the third is convenience to pay for goods or services worldwide at various machine outlets that carry my debits or Visa or Mastercard logo. Ketiganya, ia memudahkan untuk kita membayar barang atau perkhidmatan di seluruh dunia dengan adanya penggunaan kad debit di kedai-kedai. Four features of credit card I. First is credit limit. Each Islamic credit card I. Credit limit will be determined based on an applicant's annual income and type of credit card I applied. That means setiap had credit card Islam I akan ditentukan berdasarkan pendapatan tahunan pemohon dan jenis kredit card yang digunakan. Second is management fee free period for retail transaction 20 days from the statement date and is applicable only for retail transaction and the cardholders who pay in full on or before the payment due date. No management fee period on balance transfer or cash advances. That means tempoh percuma bayaran pengurusan untuk transaksi runcit hanya 20 hari dari tarikh penyata dan hanya berlaku untuk transaksi runcit sahaja, dan pemegang kad harus membayarnya pada atau sebelum tarikh akhir, dan tiada tempoh bebas fee pengurusan pada pemindahan tunai ataupun pendahuluan tunai. C is 0% management fee installment. Management fee up to 24 months for Rhb Islamic installment. That's mean ansuran yuran pengurusan 0%. Bayaran pengurusan sehingga 24 bulan untuk ansuran pintar Islam Rhb. Next is fees and charge for Rhb Islamic Bank Berhad Debit KI. First is annual or issuance fee. Rhb Debit KI for 12 ringgit Malaysia with 0.5% cashback for overseas transaction. That's mean kita dapat pulangan 0.5% untuk transaksi di luar negara. Rhb Debit KI for 8 ringgit Malaysia without cashback. Maksud untuk debit KI berharga 8 ringgit tiada pulangan. Rhb Visa Justice League Debit KI issuance fee is for 15 ringgit Malaysia. Annual fee for 12 ringgit Malaysia with 0.5 cashback for overseas transaction. Next is Rhb Platinum Debit KI for 50 ringgit Malaysia waived for the first year. For the subsequent years, it will be waived subject to 5,000 ringgit Malaysia retail spend per annum or swipe their card minimum of 5 times in a year. That means untuk Rhb Platinum Debit KI dia dikecualikan pada tahun pertama, dan untuk tahun yang berikutnya akan dikecualikan tertakluk pada pembelanjaan runcit sebanyak 5,000 ataupun penggunaan swipe card minimum 5 kali setahun. Next is card replacement fee for Rhb Debit KI for have 12 ringgit Malaysia and 50 ringgit Malaysia. Also have 8 ringgit Malaysia and 12 ringgit Malaysia. For Rhb Visa Justice Debit KI is for 18 ringgit Malaysia, and Rhb Platinum Debit KI is for 15 ringgit Malaysia. And third is overseas transaction conversion fee is 1% of the convert amount. That means 1% daripada jumlah yang ditukar.
For fees and charge for Rhb Islamic Bank Berhad Credit Card I, firstly, cash advance fee 5% of the transaction amount or a minimum of 15 ringgit. Whichever is higher will be charged on all cash withdrawals. Card holders can withdraw up to 50% of their available credit limit or such other limit as determined by Rhb Islamic Bank at its discretion from time to time. Setiap kali pembelian akan dikenakan charge 5% sekiranya pengeluaran duit tu minimum RM15 dan ianya boleh berlanjutan sehingga 50%. Kalau 50% tu maksudnya dia dah berbelanja lebih daripada RM15. Dan 50% tu kita boleh memohon pada bank untuk menarik balik sekiranya barang yang kita beli tu adalah barang yang munasabah lah, bukan barang yang boros. Jadi Rhb Islamic Bank akan pertimbangkan dan atas budi bicara Rhb Islamic Bank. Overseas transaction conversions fees if a transaction is made in foreign currency, Visa or Mastercard will convert the transaction into a ringgit Malaysia equivalent at the conversion rate as at the date the transaction is processed by Visa or Mastercard. In addition, you will also pay administration costs at 1% or such other rates as shall be determined by us for the conversion of the transaction made in foreign currencies. Contoh, nak pergi luar negara, kita akan menukar mata wang kita dan di situ pun kita akan kenakan charge sebanyak 1%. Card replacement fee RM50 per card. Kita nak menukar kad. Contohnya sekarang ni kita pakai credit card RHB Reward Motion Code Credit Card I dan kita nak tukar kepada kad RHB World Mastercard Credit Card I. Kita nak tukar kad dia kepada fungsi yang lebih bagus pun kita dikenakan charge fee sebanyak RM50. Card Service Tax CST RM25 per principal and supplementary card on a yearly basis. CST shall be imposed on the date of new card activation or renewal of the credit card on every 12 months after the date the card is issued or renew. Maksudnya bila kita pakai credit card ni, kita kena bayar secara tahunan sebanyak RM25. Dia kira tax atau CST yang dikenakan bank ke atas kita jika kita ada credit card untuk renew card tu. Untuk card tu terus berfungsi lah. Next, late penalty for Rhb Islamic Bank Credit Card I. Late payment compensation fee if the card holder fails to pay the minimum monthly payment by the payment due date, a minimum of RM10 or 1% of total outstanding balance as at statement date, whichever is higher, up to 100 will be charged and state in the monthly statement. Ini kan kita ada CST, kena bayar secara tahunan. Tapi jika pengguna tak dapat membayar secara tahunan, ianya akan diambil dan dicatatkan di dalam monthly statement. So setiap bulan dia akan bayarlah apa yang tertunggak tu. Sekiranya dia makin teruk, pihak bank akan mengambil tindakan. Seterusnya namanya akan di blacklist dan sebagainya. Next, conclusion. Credit cards and debit cards can both make it easy to make purchase in store or online. Bila kita ada credit card ni, dia akan memudahkan kita lah untuk membeli barang secara online. Kan sekarang pembelian secara online dah semakin meningkat. Jadi ianya adalah salah satu kaedah untuk kita membeli secara dalam talian. Debit cards allow you to spend money using funds you have saved in the bank. Credit cards allow you to borrow money from the card issuer up to certain limit to buy goods or withdraw cash. Therefore, the use of this card and also save our money from being robbed compared to physically storing money in a pocket or wallet. Penggunaan kad ni sangat bagus pada masa sekarang. Tak mudah bagi perompak untuk merompak kita sebab duit kita semua dalam kad. Jadi dah tak payah nak simpan duit banyak-banyak kat dalam dompet, dalam poket. Jadi dia menjaminlah duit kita. The use of this card is very good for us not to spend money extravagantly because there are fees and charge that will be charged by the bank to us. Bila kita pakai credit card, kita akan berwaspada dengan kita punya pembelian. Sebab kita akan dikenakan charge. Jadi dia menjamin duit kita dan kita secara tak langsung kita akan membeli barang keperluan daripada barang kehendak. That's all for our group. Thank you.